So last class we have hi children. Last class we have discussed about the sum of the n terms in AP, how it will come. We have discussed, right? So let us see few questions based on that. So what are the questions I'm just taking? It is a word problems means statement kind of problems only I'm taking. If the okay, let me explain you first basic question. So how many terms of the AP? The AP is 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum if six hundred and 636. Okay, this is one question. So let us see how the question will be. What did they ask? In this AP, how many terms if you add? Like 9 plus 17 plus 25 plus and so on. Like how many terms if you add, you will get 636. 636 will be your answer. That is what your question. Okay. So for that, we have to find from the given AP, what are the details are there? First term we know, that is 9. First term we know, that is 9. D, T2 minus T1, that is 17 minus 9. How much? It is 8. Okay. So now how many terms means n only they asked. We have to find n is the question mark, and we know that sum of n terms is 636. That is Sn is how much? It's 636. So here we have to find the n. So Sn formula is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to how much? The value 636. 636. N we have to find. N keep it like that only. 2 into a is how much? 9 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 8 is equal to 636. So here if you observed in the both these terms, 2 table is there, you can cancel it. N into 9 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 636. 9 into n, 9n. N into 4, just 1 second. 9 minus 4, 5n plus 4n square is equal to 636. So 4n square plus 5n plus 636, take this side, minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay. Let me see this, can you able to see or not till here? Yeah. Okay. So 1 second. Okay. So we got an equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636. So I hope you all know the quadratic equation, how to do that, splitting the middle term polynomial concept also we have discussed. So first what we have to do, n square coefficient and constant you should multiply. 4 into minus 636. I am not going to multiply, so carefully observe. 4 into minus 636. Okay. So here I am just going to be, if I multiply, I should get 4 into 636, and if I do the differentiation, I should get 5. That is my question. So here 6 1s are 0, 6 6, and 4 will be divided as 2 into 2. Okay. So still it can be divided. Let me divide with this, which table? 2 table. 2 5s are 2 3s are 53 is a prime number, so we cannot do that. Let us multiply this all. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. 48 and 53 difference is how much? 5. I got it. Okay. So like this, you can split in the prime factorization method. In the real numbers we learnt in a tree method. Like that you can split it. Then after see the different combinations of that, you will come to know that condition. Okay. So how I divided? 53 into 48. 53 into 48. The middle term should be separate as 4n square, and 5 is a positive number, so 63 should get the positive minus, sorry, 53 no, 53 minus 48 minus 636. So here what we can take common, n only we can take common, 4n plus 53. So 48, 4 multiple you just think it, that is 12 fours. So minus 12 take it common. So you will get 4n plus 53. Same thing it should come. No worries. So again n minus 2 will be there. 4n plus 53 is common, is equal to 0. So if I take equal to 0, n minus 12 equal to 0, n is equal to 12. If I take here, you will get minus 53 by 4. Here n means what? Number of terms. Term can be a negative. Term can be a negative, but the count cannot be a negative. So can you count any time when you are counting your class members 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that? Are we going to count? No, right? So the count is always positive. The count is always positive. So here, how many terms sum will give the 636 is 12 terms. So if you add in this AP 9, 17, 25 and so on. So if you add how many terms? 12 terms if you add, you will get the 636. So this answer we are not going to be carry forward because of it is not a natural number. Here the n should be a natural number. 100% it should be a natural number. So this is how the question will be. Now same way, one more question. The word problem we will see. In that there is a logs is arranged such a manner that like this. This question is important. 200 lakhs are there. Logs means big wooden rope will be there, no? Big one, that is called log. So wooden logs are there. So 20 logs at the bottom. They have arranged 20 logs. Upon that again logs are arranged like this. So 19 are there and so on, like this it is going on. So now in this log kind of arrangement, how many rows can be taken like this for 200 logs? For 200 logs. So we know number of logs. Number of logs are nothing but Sn. So number of logs, that is nothing but Sn. How much? 200 logs are there. 200 logs are there. In the first row, let me take 20. Okay. So first row from the bottom. From bottom. That is A. That is how much? 20. Second row, it is going to be deduct. So difference is how much? Minus 1. Difference is how much? Minus 1. So I have to find how many rows are there. So we have to find n is question mark. So same formula, let us write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is how many logs? Number of logs is 200. So 20, sorry, n we have to find n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So 2 you take this side here, since it is not a 2 multiple, so that I am not going to be cancel here. 400 is equal to 40 minus into minus, n is into 40 minus n, minus into minus plus 1. So 41 n minus n square. This all terms take this side, plus it will become n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. So now 1 into 400, 400. So 20 is there. But 20 plus 20 I will not get 41, I will get 40. So I should go with the next condition. 4 5s are 4 5s are. Now let us check this row combination. 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16, 25 plus 16 is 41. So it can be divided as n minus 25 into n minus 60. So n is equal to 25, n is equal to 60. Now both are natural numbers. Both are natural numbers. Any those are possible. But here for this kind of questions, when you got the possible values for the n 2 also, you have to check means which is correct answer. Since here given condition is what? The logs has arranged. The logs has been arranged. Right? No? So this is condition you have to be check it. Condition you have to be check it. So for that what we are going to find in A25 we will find, A16 we will find. A25 is nothing but A plus 24t. A is how much? First the 20. 20 plus 24 into minus 1. 24 into minus 1. So 20 plus into minus 24. That is how much? 4 we will get. So can we say that number of logs in the 25th row minus 4 logs? Is it possible? So that number of 25 is wrong. Number of rows 25 is wrong. Now let us check whether this answer is correct or not. A plus 15b. 20 plus into 15 into minus 1. That is 20 minus 15 is 5. So in the top of the row, how many logs will be there? Arrange 5 logs. Understood? Like this. So when possible values are there, you have to give the justification, and definitely they will ask a question, justify your answer. Okay? When they specifically mention that, you have to be justification also you should show. If they are not mentioned the justification, then you can directly, this is your mind calculation, you can give 16 is the answer. So there are 16 rows. There are 16 rows. Like that you can give. Okay. So with this, this AP chapter is completed. Let us meet in the live session. Okay. Thank you.